This is the solution to one of the questions from Hawk's Learning, question number 5 from lesson 7.5. It says, suppose the probability of a horse winning a race is 0.04. What are the odds of winning? Express your answer in the form A:B, A to B. Well, I copied this out onto a Microsoft Word document. Suppose the probability of a horse winning a race is 0.04. What are the odds of winning? Express your answer as a ratio A to B. And there's a note here. It says, for probability to odds, you must subtract to find the wins and losses. And I should add, must use a fraction. So the first thing we must do is take this probability 0.04 and convert it into a fraction. Well, after the decimal point, we have tenths and hundredths. So 0.04, if this was money, that would be like 4 cents. Well, 4 cents or 4 pennies would be 4 out of 100. That's 4 100ths. And then you should always reduce fractions to lowest terms. So 4 100ths, if you divide by 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 100 divided up into fourths is 25. So what this means is that the probability of winning is 4 out of 100 or 1 out of 25. What does this mean, 4 out of 100 or 1 out of 25? Well, if the probability of a horse winning a race is 1 out of 25, that means that he or she will win a race 1 out of every 25 races. So we would expect that this horse, when it races in 25 different races, it should win one of them. Now, one out of 25. That's the probability. We want to convert to odds. So, odds of winning are equal to the number of wins compared to the number of losses. Odds are different from probability. Odds are different from probability. The odds of winning are equal to the total number of wins compared to the total number of losses. So going back to this note up here, if you're converting from probability to odds, you must subtract to find the wins and losses. Must use a fraction or start with a fraction. So what that means is here, I want to subtract 25 minus 1, and that's going to give me 24. This is one of the numbers that I'm going to need for the odds, 24. What does the 24 stand for? Well, if the probability of a horse winning a race is 1 out of 25, which means it wins 1 races out of a total of 25 races, then 24 would be the number of losses. 24 losses. And if we compare that to the number of wins, well, we expect this horse to win 1 time out of 25, which would be 1 win compared to 24 losses. 1 win for every 24 losses. Those are the odds of this horse winning a race, 1 to 24. Final answer.